Question number 56 of the ID password exam from PhilNITS. We are now in the management portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, the processes of project management include project cost management, project communications management, project resources management, project schedule management, and the like. In a system development project, which of the following is the most appropriate activity in project cost management when members are added for implementing a test? Let's highlight a few keywords. We're talking about system development, and we have something about project cost management, which is what we need to emphasize. And we're adding members so that they could do an implementation of a test. The processes of project management include cost management, communications management, resources management, scheduling, and the like. So from this set of words, can we identify the correct answer? Actually, a while ago, I was doing this again, and I chose the incorrect answer, which I thought was letter A. It's saying that we update the mailing list and so on, so that information can be efficiently transmitted to the newly participating members. I thought that the mailing list part and the efficiency keyword here are the things that we need to do so that the cost would go down, because usually the communications problems that occur where you got people who maybe they don't have access to their email, or they need to be contacted in another way, and so they don't know what's happening. The communication cost there definitely would increase the expenses, but turns out that this is not the correct answer. And I'm thinking it's maybe because there's supposedly a communications management process in the project management. So turns out that maybe this one is more apt for letter A. So this one is incorrect. Letter B is saying that we request the vendor to provide training on the testing tool. I thought that this was not really the correct answer, because it seems like it will add more to the cost. It's like the vendor will need to prepare a training program for the newly participating members, and it's likely they'll be asking more money from the company. So I thought this wasn't really the correct answer. And by the way, the one for letter A, it has something about updating. So we already have a mailing list that exists. So I thought that would reduce the cost, but turns out it's really not the correct answer according to the answers list. Going to letter C, it's saying that we add tasks so that the newly participating members can contribute, and for that we need to change the schedule. This one is also incorrect. If we go with the idea that letter A is for communications management, then letter C seems to be more of scheduling. I think this could be more of the project scheduling, and letter B would be more of the resources management. So finally we have letter D, and saying that we estimate the personal expenses and then change the plan accordingly. So from the previous choices, which we already labeled as incorrect, seems like what we have left would be letter D. Letter D, which is on the cost. It's talking about expenses. Then seems like it's really the more apt answer for project cost management. Let's see if there's anything else I can add from my notes. Okay, so we have here keywords, personal expenses, what else? New members. So the personnel expenses go with the cost. The other ones, communications, resources for the training, and scheduling for the new tasks. Okay,